I know that one of the important factors of any success of any company in the industry is really customer service and the customer experience. And what do you do as far as enabling greater communication and capabilities between a customer and, like an MRO provider or whatever? What do you do to help that?
Yeah, so we find that a lot of MRO providers are looking for ways to streamline that customer communication and to enhance those customer relationships. So one specific thing that we've implemented recently and improved upon is our customer portal capability. So now we have a very robust, sleek-looking customer portal. It can manage everything from parts requests and requests for procurement of parts, as well as requesting maintenance as well. So not only that, they can actually log into that customer portal. They can view the status of where their asset is in the whole maintenance process. They can make approvals such as, quote approvals, invoice approvals. If a part needs to get sent out for repair or some PMA part needs to be used on their asset, they can approve that as well. So very complete solution that we have in our customer portal, and we're happy to continue rolling that out to our customers.
This is a really critical element when you look at things like accomplishment of work and the TAT, or the turnaround time, and getting work done, or cash flow. Because when work is in process, there's a lot of non-routines that are being created, and it depends upon the contract, but many of those require approval, from the customer. And so having a good capability to be able to interact with the customer in the middle of accomplishing maintenance or managing, of component events or shop maintenance and things like that is really optimizing the situation. So by having a customer portal, that's really an important part of the process.
Absolutely. And you hit it on the head. There's a lot of time wasted when we have to have that back and forth communication when it comes to those approvals. So being able to, embed that and streamline that within a customer portal, it takes away a lot of the phone calls, emails back and forth, and all that type of exchange that happens to, get directly to the work, get directly to those approvals, and ultimately, reduce those turnaround times. Yeah.